This is breaking news out of Okinawa. There's been an explosion at the U.S. Kadena Air Base, the largest American military installation in Asia. Several Japanese military members have been injured, and right now, a lot of questions remain unanswered. The blast happened during what was supposed to be a routine joint training exercise between U.S. and Japanese forces. It was all business as usual, until suddenly, everything changed. Emergency medical teams rushed in immediately, getting the injured to nearby hospitals as fast as possible. Their current condition hasn't been released, and families are waiting anxiously for updates. Both Japanese and U.S. military officials have launched a full-scale investigation into what went wrong. They're looking at two main possibilities: a mechanical error or a munitions malfunction. Right now, nobody's ruling anything out. Kadena Air Base isn't just any military site. It's the hub for thousands of U.S. and Japanese personnel, a critical facility for the whole region. Today's incident has sparked new concerns about how safe these operations really are, even with all the precautions in place. As the investigation unfolds, I'll keep you updated with the latest facts and developments from the ground in Okinawa. Your questions and concerns matter, so stay tuned right here as this story continues to develop. If you found this report helpful, hit like and subscribe, so you don't miss any updates on this or other breaking stories. And if you want to support this channel, consider clicking super thanks or join as a member below. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.